Now, meteorologist Jamie Jarosik and your Storm Team 2 forecast.
Yesterday was a gusty day, and today will also be breezy. This morning, winds are going to be up between 15 and 20 miles per hour. In the afternoon, we may even see some higher gusts. Temperatures are turning cooler as well. A little chilly as we head between 7 and 8 a.m. We'll drop into the mid-40s. Maybe a little sun, especially in our southern counties early on, but the clouds are going to win out today. And our high is going to be on the cool side, a little below normal, right around 51 here in the Dayton area. A big temperature spread because some of our northern counties are going to be in the mid-40s and then down towards Cincinnati, 61 degrees. So it's definitely going to change as you travel from north to south across the area today. Checking out those wind gusts from yesterday. We had a peak gust in Dayton, 52 miles per hour. Wright Brothers Airport, 50 miles an hour. And then everybody else just kind of hanging in the upper 40s. It was quite gusty. Those winds were howling all afternoon long. And today we still could have winds gusting up 25 to maybe 30 miles per hour. That'll be the case right on into those afternoon hours. But then notice tonight the wind gusts died down. We'll see them drop between 10 and 15 miles per hour. And tomorrow looks a little more calm across the region. It's 49 right now. We do have that southwest wind at 17 miles per hour. It does give us a wind chill. Feels like 43. Most spots are dropping into the 40s. We've got a lot of mid 40s, 46 in Bellefontaine, Wapakoneta, Minster, also 46 in Richmond. Some across the south are still in the low 50s, but should still drop into the 40s this morning. We've had some clouds in place across the northern half of the Miami Valley. Some low clouds have built in here. Southern counties are still clear. We do expect this cloud deck to expand across the area today with low pressure crossing the Great Lakes. The precipitation should stay just north of our area. High pressure keeps us quiet today. Tonight, this area of low pressure will track south of us tomorrow, keeping the clouds overhead and just giving us the slightest chance of a sprinkle. But again, most of the moisture with that system will stay south of us. A check of future track showing those clouds building south as we head through lunchtime. They're still going to be around mid to late afternoon, but we're dry today. And then overnight is looking cloudy and dry as well. Going into Tuesday, you can see the clouds even a little thicker with that system passing south. Couldn't rule out a stray sprinkle. Otherwise, dry weather is expected for another day. We're mostly cloudy, breezy today. We're going to see cool highs near 51 degrees. Tonight, we're going to drop back to 33, so it will be colder. If you have some potted plants out there that don't do well when we get near freezing, it is a night to bring them in. Tomorrow up to 47. That'll be the coolest day of the week with lots of clouds and the slight chance of a sprinkle. And then Wednesday, we're back to dry weather with highs still cool in the low 50s. In your Storm Team 2 7-day forecast, we're back in the 60s Thursday, Friday with some more sunshine. It looks really nice. Maybe some showers late Saturday. The better chance will be Saturday night.